which color do you want for Halloween?
Pink.
Eyebrows I should do for myself.
उड़वा दो.
Eyebrows?
गंजी कर दो.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to One Stop Page where we make makeup, fashion and travel videos. And thank you so much for showering your immense love on our Wednesday binge Halloween look. So on heavy viewers' demand, we have decided to create a couple Halloween look. So what are we waiting for? Mahol banate hain? Let's do it. Here we are to do a Halloween look. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Are you?
I am. He's any which way scary, so it's fine. The plan is that we are going to do simultaneously like the eye area and the cheeks area and everything and so on and so forth. And we have already prepped our skin with the foundation and the compact. So let's begin with the eyebrows. So for Sunny's eyebrows, I'm going to create a triangular impact. And Sunny, which color do you want for Halloween?
Pink.
Pink eyebrows. No, I'm gonna use a black one. See, I'm just taking suggestion from him, but as always, it never gets accepted, right? So I'm just gonna use the black one. Pink next time, darling.
Eyebrow तो मेरी already है.
ये तुम्हारी ड्रैकुला वाली eyebrow है बेटा.
तो मेरी तो वैसी ड्रैकुला जैसी है. क्या जरूरत है?
Oh, somebody agreed. Confession. So guys, Sunny's eyebrows are done and I was wondering what kind of eyebrows I should do for myself.
मैं बताता हूँ. उड़वा दो.
Eyebrows?
गंजी कर दो.
So guys, finally we are done with the eyebrows. He has a male version eyebrows, I have a female version eyebrows, and it's time to get onto the eyes.
मैं आइस लेकर आया.
Eyes!
So
So now guys, I'm going to use this white shimmery and a matte shade to just paint his eye area and also the under eye area just to create an impact, and then I will do my Picasso art on it. So now I'm going to create this creepy triangle effect underneath the eye area. I hope you guys are liking the under eye area. I just did it with the eyeshadow and with the help of kajal. And I'm gonna do almost the same impact on my eye area. And let's see how it turns out to be. So our eye makeup is almost done, and now to create a bloody impact, I will be using this Inglot lipstick to shade the underneath eye area, just to create that that bloody thing. Alright, so our bloody eyes are done, and he just kept the PS4 remote, right? He was playing all this while. So I'm just going to use a white eye pencil to keep my eyes highlighted and a little bit scary. Are you scared? So, the area which is visible underneath the eyebrows, even for Sunny, for him it's slightly, yes. I'm going to color it with silver so that it creates that scary and impressive impact. Let's do it. I'm just going to apply this foundation on the half of his lips so that it looks a bit sealed and matches to the cut. Now I will be using this dark brown eyeshadow just to accentuate the cut which I have created on his lip area. God, he looks so scary already. Now I'm going to use a white eyeliner just to create a deep effect on his wound. OMG. Show that closely. Time for stitches. So now it's time for stitches on his deep cut wound, for which I will be using the Revlon simple eyeliner. Either you can use the brush form or the stick form, but I feel the stick form is more profound for this look. So I will just be doing the stitching effect. Alright guys, so I've created this dead wound effect by using this white pencil, and I showed you already how the stitches were done. And once the stitches are done, I just filled in these gaps with this white color pencil so that it is more visible and looks more dead. So here is his creepy smile. So I'm just using this mild color lip liner just to create a wound impact first. I really like it, like when it's all, yeah. Now I have already created this wound effect. I'm trying to use this eyeliner to create a stitching impact on it, and I hope it turns out well. Let's see. Okay guys, so it looks like our partial faces are ready, and now for Sunny, the other half lip, I'm going to do something really surprising. So what Sunny's hiding? Show. So I have made another wound impact on his forehead just to make it look more creepy. Now I will be using this dark brown cocoa shade to shade this part of his lips, and then you will see something dripping from there. I'm going to go a little dramatic. I'm going to go overboard with it so that he looks dead. Alright guys, so everything is prepped up. It's time for some fresh blood, which we are thirsty for this Halloween. And I will be using this Body Shop lip tint, and Sunny's into character. Alright, let me bring some fresh blood. If you're thinking, where is Sunny? Wait. His final look is all set and ready, and I will be revealing it towards the end of the video, but you stay tuned for my look. So for my lip, I'm going to do a skeleton look, so let's try the best. So now I will be using this foundation just to cover my juicy plummy lips. Now I'm going to use this white eyeliner pencil to create a skeleton impact. Guys, time for some blood to drip off. Are you ready?
If you like the video, please
Like,
share,
comment
subscribe,
to our channel.
which is
Underscore.
stop.
Underscore.